Hi, I'm Jonah and I'm doing a science report on Neptune for Mrs. Bigler's class called Neptune Laughs too! Neptune is an amazing planet. It amazes me so much that I wanted to learn about it and do a report about it and share it to the class. What is Neptune? Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It is also blue and named after the Roman god of the sea. It is also my favorite planet. Neptune is a gas giant. Gas giants are planets beyond the asteroid belt in our solar system. Neptune has 6 rings, like all the other gas giants, but it is different from the other gas giants because it has an extra ingredient, which I will tell you about later. You heard how was Neptune formed? You heard the Big Bang, right? The Big Bang was a giant explosion that started the universe. Then the particles of matter became atoms, which became molecules, then became gas, which started the universe. Then with the leftover gas, the gas giants were formed. One of them was Neptune, and the gas from Neptune was molded together by gravity, which formed the planet. Can I see Neptune with a telescope, shining blue and bright in the night sky? Why is Neptune blue? The first reason Neptune is blue because Neptune is not made of regular gas like Jupiter and Saturn. It is made of poisonous methane and ammonia gas. Another reason why it is bluer, it is frozen. I know, you're a bunch of you are thinking, if it is frozen, then why is it hard to land on? No. Frozen stuff is solid. Gases, when they are frozen, are not solid. If you try to land on Neptune, you will fall and get crushed by the pressure of gravity. Now, this is the extra ingredient part. This is why Neptune is not like all gas giants. Neptune has water inside it! Meaning, just like humans have blood inside them, Neptune has water on it as its blood. I'm sorry for talking about blood. Should we move on? Who discovered Neptune? 2 mathematics, John Couch Adams in England and Urbain Le Verrier in France, discovered Neptune in 1846. They predicted it by the way its gravity was pulling Uranus. I know what you're all thinking. How could a mathematician find Neptune? You would think it would be a scientist or NASA, but if you're smarter, you'd probably think they found it with a telescope, but they didn't find it with a telescope. Another man saw it with a telescope. Johann Gallet was the first to see it. How long are a year and day on Neptune? A year is 165 Earth years. A day is actually shorter than all of them on the rocky planet's day. It lasts just, 6 hours, 17 minutes. Neptune is also so big. How can it have a short day? Being big never slowed Jupiter down. What's the weather like on Neptune? Very, very, very windy. Winds can move at 1,200 miles per hour. That's very fast. Scientists believe that these winds created the Great Dark Spot, which was a big storm, but that faded away. Two other spots were also created and have faded away. Most storms were likely to come to Neptune because of its extreme winds. The temperature is also very, very cold. The average temperature is 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Negative degrees Fahrenheit. Neptune has the strongest weather in the solar system. Why doesn't Neptune have life? Nothing can live on Neptune because it does not have all the things required for life: an axis, water, and oxygen, a surface, and a moon. Has to be closer than the sun than Mars. Neptune does have an axis, water, and a moon. There's a little bit of oxygen, but not much. All the other things are a thumbs down on Neptune. A story about gravity. You know, Neptune has 6 rings because all the giants have rings. These rings are made of ice and dust. The same thing as comets. Gravity holds the rings together, just like it does with planets. But the question you're asking about gravity, does gravity hold everything together? The answer is yes, it does. With gravity, these things can live and are put together like a puzzle. If there were no gravity, we would explode like a nuclear bomb. Gravity is one of the keys for life that all planets have. But another question, if you're asking about gravity, is who is stronger, a boulder or gravity? The answer is gravity, and everything has gravity, even Neptune. Extra information. Neptune has 13 moons that we know of. There may be more. It is the smallest of all the gas giants. It is the 4th biggest planet in the solar system. It is the last to the Kuiper Belt. The end. Please like, subscribe, favorite, or even comment. You'll see the sources is right after I talk here. Ha ha ha, that was great. Bye.